Hi, I'm Jim Tracas, and welcome back to Online Two-Point Driving Classes. Today, we're breaking down an important topic. What is the legal BAC limit in Ohio? What does it mean? How is it enforced? And what happens if you cross the line? Let's dive in. What is BAC and why does it matter? BAC stands for blood alcohol concentration. In Ohio, it's the key number that determines whether you're legally impaired behind the wheel. Even small amounts of alcohol can impact your driving, and once you hit the limit, an OVI charge could follow. What is the legal BAC limit? For drivers 21 and over, it's 0.08%. For commercial drivers, it drops to 0.04%. And for those under 21, Ohio enforces a zero-tolerance policy at 0.02%. A BAC of 0.17% or higher, that's considered high tier and comes with harsher penalties. What happens if you exceed the legal BAC limit? Penalties depend on your BAC level and whether you've had previous offenses. Even a first offense can bring jail time, license suspension, and hundreds in fines. Higher BAC, the consequences get worse, fast. You may also face points on your license, required installation of an ignition interlock device, and steep reinstatement fees. Penalties increase with each offense. What if you refuse to take a breath or chemical test? Under Ohio's implied consent law, refusal leads to an automatic license suspension even without a BAC result. Courts can still charge you based on other signs of impairment. Officers use field sobriety tests, breathalyzers, and lab tests to check BAC. They also look for signs like slurred speech, swerving, and slow response time. Why does Ohio enforce these limits so strictly? Because the risks are real. At 0.08%, your chance of causing a crash skyrockets. Hundreds of lives are lost each year to alcohol-related crashes in Ohio alone. How can you stay under the BAC limit? Plan ahead, use a designated driver, call a ride share, or stay overnight. Eat a meal, sip water, and pace your drinks if you choose to consume alcohol. What if you've already been charged with an OVI? Stay calm, contact a lawyer, and document everything. You only have 30 days to appeal an administrative suspension. You may be able to earn a 2-point credit or meet reinstatement requirements by enrolling in a remedial driving course. How can our course help? Our $69.95 Ohio-approved course is online, simple, and effective. Complete it in 8 hours and earn a 2-point credit or fulfill court or BMV requirements. It's flexible, mobile-friendly, and fully certified. You can take it at your own pace from anywhere. Whether it's your first violation or you're working toward reinstatement, our course is here to help. Subscribe to our social media for more updates and register for classes at improveddriving.com. Drive safe.